This is a Rheem 27 kilowatt tankless electric water heater we just installed. You can see somebody just turned on the water. You set your temperature with this gauge here, pretty simple. We're gonna put it at 122 for this customer. We got a scale filter here, it's called Scale RX. We got our hot line, cold line. There's a main shutoff for the unit. We got the bypasses here. This is where you connect hoses so you can flush out the tank every 6 months or so. Got 1-inch conduit for the electrical. That little sub-electrical panel has been disconnected now. But there's a Rheem 27 kilowatt tankless heater installed. He takes 3 double pole 40 amp breakers. As you'll see, we got 40, 40, 40. Those are the 3 new ones we added. This is the old 30 amp for this sub panel here for the old tank water heater that you probably saw at the beginning of this video, maybe. We left that breaker in there and just left it off. And we left this sub panel off too. You never know. They might want to put a regular heater in the future. But they got a tankless now. I can tell you it takes up a lot more room because there used to be a big heater in there and now it's just that little guy. So good to go. If you need a tankless Rheem water heater, you should check us out.